Just some days after Sabasaba nitwonire andu aingi muno at a certain place. Gukihana ta hena andu mararũrũngana handu in this video. But yari kesi ya Maina Njenga ya ninirwo. And now after that ni gwakorwo na ciũria nyingĩ muno cia why did this happen? Shiro yo nikoretwo gĩthiĩ na mbere for quite some time. I remember sharing a video ya Shosho, one of the family members, ginya akirira igoti-inĩ, akirira kĩhoto gĩake. And right now we are here. Shiro ũcio nĩ ũrarĩkire gũkorwo ũkĩninwo. And now I want us to look into why Shiro ũyũ ũraninirwo according to Gachagua and Jeremiah Kioni. Thaa ici Gachagua kũrĩa US bado nĩ arakorwo akirekereria maũndũ maingĩ mũno, nĩ arakorwo akirekereria information nyingĩ mũno, like we cannot even feel the his absence in Kenya, tondũ maũndũ marĩa augaga Kenya no marauga kũrĩa US, na nĩ arakorirwo akĩarĩrĩria ũhoro ũcio na arauga atĩ the Sabasaba protest in Kenya and specifically in Mount Kenya, it was being run by one person, na mũndũ ũcio irarĩ mũndũ according to Gachagua arauga atĩ mũndũ wanakorwo agitongoria gang fulani gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Na after gukorwo akiran ngui muthenya ucio wa Sabasaba in Mount Kenya, muno ntuonire supermarket cigĩbunjwo, tuliona kule hivyo nice digital. I saw that mzae mkombozi akisema manze viloto na amekuwa akisaidia watu Kirinyaga and he doesn't think that it is the people of that place ndio alifanya hivyo. We have also seen Korea makutano ginya tukiona borithi magiteithĩrĩria mwaki ucio ũkorwo gĩakana wega. Tuliona kule hivyo Juja, tuliona Roysambu, Kahawa West, very many places moto iliweza kuwashwa, and in majority of those places in Murang'a County supermarket turaigwa andu acio makiuga ati andu aya mokite gũbunja tutimoi. Na so imekuwa raise the question of no ucio ukoretwo ugituma andu, na Gachagua arauga ati nigetha cira wa Maina Njenga ukorwo ukininwo, that was a reward for a job well done in Mount Kenya region during the Sabasaba protests.
So what happened 2 weeks ago? There was a huge scheme to destroy property belonging to the people of Mount Kenya and then blame the leaders. So all that destruction you saw was done by gangs under police formation. In Meru, a video has come showing the police themselves are the one who burned Maguda supermarket. Everywhere these gangs were escorted by policemen. Then they shoot the Gen Zs and arrest them instead of dealing with the goons. So that is what is happening. But when they try to say, no, all these problems are being caused by the Kikuyu, Kenyans say, no. If the people who have a problem with RUTO are Kikuyus, we are also. And I'm so happy that all other communities in Kenya have refused to allow William RUTO to profile the Kikuyu community and isolate them. So what is going on in Kenya is actually persecution of one community. Destroy their businesses, blame their leaders, arrest innocent people. Can you imagine our Gen Z's young children are being arrested and charged with terrorism when they have done nothing? The goons have done it under police formation. And what happened is that the leader of the criminal gang that was there in the 1990s, that was dealing with women's circumcision, that was extorting people, is the one RUTO used to cause this problem. He had a criminal case in Makandara. It was withdrawn to thank him for a job well done. Yeah? 3-4 days ago, the case against him was withdrawn to say, kazi nzuri, tumekuondolea nini? Case. So that is what is happening. But don't worry. My greatest pain is not even what RUTO is doing at the Mountain View. I'm not worried about that because I have seen it and we shall deal with it. My greatest pain are the collaborators, our own leaders who speak the way we are speaking, who are working with him to finish the community. That is my greatest pain as a leader from that region. The MP for Kikuyu and the MP for Laikipia East, those two are the greatest enemies of our community. All that attack against our businesses, all that killing, all those killings, all those arrests of young people, they are the ones who are planning with William Ruto.
Oho bado Secretary General wa kiama kia Jubilee nĩregete gũkorwo akĩyumĩria na kuga atĩ what happened during Sabasaba is not like a normal protest, especially in Mount Kenya. Ndwarĩ mũrũrũngano normal. Nĩtuonire andũ makĩyumĩria na kũringana na Jeremia Kioni arauga atĩ andũ acio meyumĩrire gũkorwo magĩbunja nduka cia andũ na kũiya ma supermarket marĩ inmates marutĩtwo njera. Na akakuwa akikot a certain video ikoretwo ĩgĩtrend muno ya Sabasaba ĩrĩa tuonire andũ magĩcuka lori ya thigari na wakaenda wakapiga mathe fulani pale hivyo in a scene that was very bad. Na warora ũhoro ũyũ wothe according to that submission by Rigathi Gachagua na ĩno ya Jeremia Kioni, you can try to connect the dots and see that whoever is behind this vurugu in Mount Kenya is up to dividing the people of Mount Kenya. Na ũhoro ũyũ nĩguo ũkoretwo ũgĩthiĩ na mbere for quite some time. Na Maina Njenga ti hĩndĩ anjia ona rĩrĩa kwarĩ na mahoya ma interdenominational prayers kũrĩa Nyeri na matongoragio nĩ Pastor Dorcas na Rigathi Gachagua was to attend. Nĩtuonire Maina Njenga akĩ-ambush kana akĩ-get crash event ĩyo na akaenda hadi aka displace Pastor Dorcas na agĩikara hau na akĩ-address. So it's not the first time. Na tukigwa Rigathi Gachagua akiuga ũguo, believe you me, there is some truth in that. Maũndũ marĩa Rigathi Gachagua akoretwo akiuga na makahĩtũka, a lot of things right now. Na could this be the only card left ya Kasongo ya gũkũ Mount Kenya? Could it be the only card left? Tondũ trying to beat Mount Kenya people by 43 versus 1, it failed. Through the hashtag here, we are all Kikuyus. One lege, it failed. Through one lege challenge. Threats, zile zenye alitoa hiyo ya one lege, Rigathi Gachagua reduced them to 0. In fact, Rigathi Gachagua amwirire ati atana the US amwirire ati, I saw you were very angry, but Kenyans are more angry than you are. So, the only card left to tackle Mount Kenya anytime there is a protest, etigarete are vurugu. Na vurugu eno ekurehwo no. Who is the mastermind of vurugu? Who can be able to organize that vurugu? You all know, according to Orea Rigathi Gachagua akorwo akiuga. You guys need your money makumegi ũhoro ũyũ. These are very tough times for Kenya and specifically for Mount Kenya. Nidona tweet negoro giona tweet ya Mavericka oko ni blog omwe munene muno kuria X. Na it was a call to Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta that nima ona Kenya na mathina make eta president. Pia alikuwa na vitu zilikuwa zinatubo zake akiwa president. But at this time Mavericka oko arauga ati, please Uhuru Kenyatta, come through for Kenyans, and if not Kenyans, come through for the Kikuyu nation. Todo maundu maria marathi na mbere tha ici, it is all against the Kikuyus and the Mount Kenya people. If mundu no ahuthire gang teo ya MUNGIKI, according to Rigathi Gachagua ria arauga, to destabilize the economy of a certain region in Kenya, then it shows that that person is capable of doing worse things. Na uhoro wana kinya hau, hani hatugaga uhoro wana kinya hau, gogoa moko-inĩ maku Ngai. Ugo no go tũngiuga. Anyway guys, niĩ ndiũĩ mawoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.